Flex lock construction provides better flexibility with a leak-free connector. Overall length 300 inches and the diameter of pipe is 1.250 inches. Universal fit for installation flexibility and has galvanized finish. Single roll band construction provides durability. Clamp or weld installation. Available in galvanized steel to meet the specific needs of your vehicle. Walker Flex tubing features flex lock construction and a leak-free connector. Top reviews from the United States. Reroutes RV generator exhaust. Stop gassing your neighbor. Bought for RV generator to redirect exhaust away from neighbor's campsite. Other custom systems cost $100 plus. This worked perfectly. All metal gooseneck style construction. Fit easily but snugly over Onan 4K Gen 1.25 diameter exhaust pipe. Long enough to run all the way to the back of my 33 RV with a turn away to avoid gassing out my own bedroom slideout. Worked fine just laying on the ground, but I am going to try some methods to prop up. Very happy with this purchase.